Okay, hey guys. Today I'm gonna make brownies, and I'm gonna make fancy brownies, and it's probably gonna be funny, I hope. I hope to entertain. So anyway, the point is, let's spit. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm not a baker. I've never really made brownies before, but I'm gonna try this one. I typed in fancy brownies, and what it came up with was this delicious looking thing, which also has strawberries in the shape of hearts, which that's gonna be interesting. I will probably cut myself. So let's try to make that. We're gonna do that now. I have printed myself some instructions. I have, I think, all of the ingredients. I'm sure we'll get to one that I don't have. Step one, preheat oven to 350. I already did that. So, step one done. All right, step two, line an 8 by 8 inch square baking dish with parchment paper, leaving a 1 inch overhang. Okay, it's already out of my league. I do have parchment paper. Make a nice clean cut. Is that AMSR? Okay, so set that aside. Melt butter in a large saucepan on a stove over medium heat. Okay, and I need 3/4 cup of butter. One butter is a 1/4 pound? Oh, a 1/2 cup. So I need 1 1/2 of these. Well, this is engaging content. Watching a grown man struggle to open butter. You know, my last video got 21 views, so that's pretty good. They're two very different colors. I think that's fine. So put that in a pan. Yeah. So it sounds like next we're just gonna stir a bunch of stuff into the melted butter. So, come on, butter. I'm not even really feeling brownie. Spent all morning, you can't see, but there's like learning how to use this camera, which I'm sure if anyone were to watch this video, which is highly how the settings are not correct, but I spent a lot of time on it, so try to be nice. Actually, I don't care if you're nice or not. Watch my damn video and comment. I need that interaction because, you know, I would like to become rich off of YouTube because guaranteed work at home. I'm kind of an attention whore, and oh yeah, rich. So that would be nice. So watch my video. Maybe it'd be at this point in the video. No, it'd be too early. Where I'd pimp my subscriptions or my, what are they called? Sponsors. Surprisingly enough, I do not have them. But I am looking for them. So if companies are seeing this, I don't really care what you're selling. I'll hawk whatever it is. It's fine. So just, you know, email below. Okay, there's just like one stubborn little pat of butter that still is not done. Okay, it's done. So I've got melted butter. Remove from heat, add cocoa powder and stir. How much cocoa powder? 1 cup and 2 tablespoons. Does that 2 tablespoons really make a difference? Oh, maybe that's the 2 tablespoons. It didn't come out. There it goes. There. Baking is an exact science. And then probably mix until smooth. I'm gonna stir until it's smooth. Ooh, it's. All right, nope, it's looking pretty smooth. See? Okay, looking pretty smooth. All right, so smooth. After smoothness, stir in sugar, salt. She would put the. So that's why do all recipes, okay, first of all, why do all recipes start with a, I don't know, scree, ooh, 30 fingers, of a Lifetime Story episode, and then It has direction. Oh my God, it's getting very dirty. It has directions, but the ingredients and the amounts are above, so you gotta constantly. Anyway, now I lost my place. 1 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. It's awfully specific. I have a 1 cup. Okay, this is not sanitary. So 1 3/4 cups. Okay, 1. Okay, so 3/4 and 2 tablespoons is right about there. A little more. There it is. All right. Yes, yes. My trained eye. Yes. That seems like a lot of sugar. Remove from heat. Stir in sugar, salt, eggs, and vanilla extract. Sugar, salt. Oh, vanilla. So how much salt? It's probably just a little. We're just gonna put a little bit of salt in because it's a little salt. Vanilla. Dogs are barking. I'm getting confused. Why do I feel like this is a test and I am failing? Okay, this is stressful. All right, we're gonna take a moment and we're gonna relax. Eggs. 3 eggs. Eggs. I have eggs. Oh! Fishy. Okay, got it. Why is everything so hard? Bloop. Oh my God! Every single one gets a freaking shell in it. Okay. All right, everyone, shut up. I'm trying to film a video. I got the eggs in. Vanilla. Salt, eggs, and vanilla. This is not hard. This is easy. All right, so vanilla has appeared. 1 1/2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. This is pure. Very good. This is gonna be, oh, there's 1. There's a 1/2. Okay. Oh my God, I think it's time to mix again. This can't be right. Oh no, it is. Oh no. Okay, we're good. 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Very good. Okay, now mix. Is it supposed to be like glue? It says until well combined. You know, this is actually combining. I think brownies are supposed to be thick like this. I think this is right. This is right. That looks really good, actually. I kind of want to eat it. Freaking hard to stir. Okay, well combined. I definitely consider that well combined. I like to keep a clean workstation. Set aside 1/2 cup of chocolate and stir the rest. So what's the total amount? 9 ounces. So I have a 4.4 ounce. Oh, and a 4.4 ounce. That's almost 9 ounces. So it's all this chocolate. Now we can watch me struggle to open a bar of chocolate. Oh, it's not a bar of chocolate. Corey, will you help me open these chocolate bars, please? All right, thank you, Boo. So we've got our coarsely chopped chocolate. Wait, set aside 1/2 cup of chocolate. How much total chocolate do we have? 1 3/4 cups. So we have 1 3/4 cups total chocolate. We need to set aside 1/2 cup. I'm gonna call, that looks like 1/2 cup. That has been set aside. All right, so there, done. The smaller portion of chocolate is for the topping. Got it. Okay. So we're gonna put the bigger portion into, uh-oh, I bet that's, oh, it doesn't need to melt because it's going in the oven. Okay, all right. Stay with me, folks. We got it. Okay. Stir into, stir into glue. All right. I've had just about enough of that. All right, next step. Spread batter evenly into the prepared pan. You'll need to work at it. Oh good, well, I can see why. I'm just gonna dump it in. Oh my God. Corey, do you wanna lick this bowl? I wanna lick the bowl. I never washed my hands. That's okay, I'm not done getting dirty. All right, spread evenly. This is turning out. It didn't say to do that, and that didn't actually do anything, but whatever. So, cut hearts. I'm not sure I'm gonna be, okay, you know, so that's not gonna make a heart. And then cut lengthwise. That's kind of like a heart. No, that's a heart. We're gonna make half moons. Yes, half moons. For the Lunar New Year. So, strawberry brownies with strawberries, no hearts. Well, there's one heart. It's a broken heart. Broken. Ta-da. So now I'm just gonna put my chocolate in, sprinkle it about. Now it can go in the oven. Ah! No, it won't catch on fire. I think parchment paper is allowed in the oven. So that's in the oven. How long do we gotta wait? 45 to 50 minutes.
A few moments later.
The brownies have been cooling for about an hour now. So it's the moment of truth. And I'm very nervous about this, but let's see how it goes. So this is the whole thing with the overhang. So crunchy. Oh my God, it just lifted right up. I baked with this today, and it goes right back into the drawer. Okay, so we're gonna cut a slice, I guess? Do that. This, there's some gooey action going on there. All right, I'm gonna taste it. To say it is delicious would be an understatement. Brownies did not fail. All right. If you like this video, I beg of thee, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.